our 6th annual Christmas in July. Today we are celebrating Christmas in July.
Christmas.
Fake Christmas.
Second annual.
Second annual Christmas in July. It's Christmas in July! Merry Christmas! Christmas in July! 6 years in the making that we've been doing this every single year, and I think it's a fun tradition and we will continue to do it. So please comment down below and let me know, do you celebrate Christmas in July, or are we the only weirdos? I think it's fun. I think if you don't, you should start now. Still July.
Yep.
First thing we always do is decorate the Christmas tree, of course. We have the tree with the lights on, but we gotta start adding the ornaments and decorate it a little bit, and then we're gonna get gifts. So we can do a gift exchange. We're gonna go to Five and Below and have like a $15 limit.
Okay.
We're no budget. We'll make sangria.
Yep.
Christmas sangria. We've done eggnog in the past. We've done
mulled wine.
Mulled wine. We've done a
Probably
variety of things.
Cocktails and who knows what else.
Yeah, so this time we're gonna go for sangria, and we're gonna go for a somewhat festive meal of
Steak sandwiches.
steak sandwiches from a restaurant near here that we want to try. It's not very Christmassy, but you know?
It's tasty.
And we have snowman cookies and Christmas movies later.
Oh, no.
So it's full on,
movies.
no, we have to watch a Christmas movie. It's Christmas in July. We got our popcorn cans full of ornaments, and let's decorate. We need Christmas music. Ta-da! We got the tree decorated. Obviously not to the max. We have way more ornaments. I have like 4 popcorn cans of ornaments and I only brought out 2. We need a family photo by the tree.
Okay.
Our Christmas tradition. We gotta get the animals together. Okay, so Katie's gonna get mad at me, but I have this little Santa Claus outfit and I'm gonna see if she can. She's gonna be really mad at us.
It's meant for a dog. But
it's meant for a dog, but a tiny dog, and I think it'll fit her. So let's see. Merry Christmas!
Christmas.
We tried. You know, it lasted like a second, but it worked. Coco has this festive little handkerchief on, and Kitty is hiding in her little tunnel and playing with her little toy that she loves. Now we have to go to Five Below and get our gifts, and it does feel like Christmas because today Universal Yums literally arrived, and we have a Universal Yums box. So this is the Indio box, and if you've been on our channel for a while, you know we used to do Universal Yums, and we haven't done it in a while because we kind of got like tired of doing it for so long. But,
yeah, but at least this is new, so that's cool.
We can do a little mini version for the Christmas in July. It's appropriate, I think. Before we try snacks, we gotta go get the gifts. We can do a gift exchange and buy some sangria ingredients. Let's go. Time to buy some gifts. All right, see you soon. Look what I found. Found Christmas. It's Christmas in July. Look at that. Okay, now we're arriving at Publix so we can get sangria ingredients, red wine. We're gonna try to look for cranberry juice so we can, or pomegranate juice to make it festive.
Yep.
And an orange. We got 100% pomegranate juice. We got some red wine. We got some fancy sparkling water to add to it to make it sparkling. Now an orange, and we're good to go. A lot of people use brandy in their sangria, but we're gonna use this rum we got from Key West. It's from the first legal rum distillery in Key West, and I thought this could be fun. It's actually called a Spanish Marie. It is a blend of red wine with rum, which I think is appropriate. And then, like I said, we're gonna use pomegranate juice, we're gonna use red wine, a little bit of sparkling water, and some orange slices. And Jeremy wants to add mulling spices for some reason, but you know, sure. I'm sure it'll make it taste more festive. We added the orange slices, and I think this is gonna be good. We have our little Nightmare Before Christmas cups. Merry Christmas in July. Cheers.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it. It's refreshing. Cheers. I'm sure it's gonna taste even better the longer we let it sit. So later tonight, it'll taste even better. The gifts are wrapped in front of the tree. We've got Universal Yums, and then we'll do the gift exchange. This month is India, and I'm very excited to try this, mini samosas. We got little mini samosas. They look fun. Cheers. Let's see how this goes. There's like filling inside, and it's kind of spicy. It's stuffed with spicy lentils, cashews, and raisins. Like a little spicy, like that perfect amount. And then they're actually really good. I'm pretty impressed with this snack, honestly, because Universal Yums usually does like chips and stuff, and they do have chips here. They have tikka masala chips, which I'm also curious about. But this is like a good worthy snack, you know? You can't have any, Coco, I'm sorry. Okay, next up we have tikka masala chips. And they literally do smell like tikka masala. It's weird.
Smells better than it tastes. Tastes like burnt popcorn.
It's corn chips.
Oh, it is corn?
So,
okay.
Tastes like corn. I like it. Alright, we're not doing the candies because we don't care about the candies. But they do have this little sugar sprinkled coconut cookies and this bourbon chocolate flavored sandwich biscuits, and that sounds fun. Here's the little bourbon cookies. It's nice.
Yep.
I don't think I taste bourbon.
Is there supposed to be bourbon or is that?
It's just the name of the cookie, it says.
Okay.
It does not contain any alcohol.
Right.
And then here is the little coconut cookies. Cheers. These look like those little cookies in the blue can.
Mm-hmm.
But do you taste coconut?
Very little.
Oh yeah, a little hint.
Yeah.
They're good.
It's good.
Honestly, this is one of the best boxes we've had in a while. We stopped filming Universal Yums because some of the boxes were repeating and we weren't like a big fan of some of the... I mean, we don't love the candies. We don't ever really care about the candies, but they included 2 cookies, the little mini samosas and the tikka masala chips. I feel like that's a really good box. We have a fireplace going. So excited.
Alright.
Coco should go first. Coco, you want your Christmas gift? This is for you. Okay, so this is Dream Bones, because all Coco really at the end of the day cares about is snacks and food. There you go. He's not gonna care about this so much right now, but this is a little dog travel bowl. You can turn it into a full-on bowl, and then when you want to pack it away, you just... Convenient. Something we could do maybe during a hurricane when there's no technology.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Do you remember these games from back in the day? This is the Who Is It game. So like, I remember doing this when I was a kid, and like you have to try to figure out like who is the person that you have or whatever. And I feel like that'll be a fun game. Maybe specifically I'm thinking of like, you know, hurricane season now that's coming up. In case we lose our power and we need something to entertain ourselves with. Maybe tonight we could play it a little bit. It'll be fun. Okay. Kitty also has a gift, but she's outside right now. She's, you know, if she comes in, we'll get her. Oh, this is really cool. This is a Galaxy projection lamp, and we're gonna definitely have to test this out tonight. It has constellation and stars. That's gonna be fun. Now they went up to $5.55.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice that.
You know, inflation.
$5.55.
It's like the dollar store is now $1.25.
Yeah.
MTV screen print. Wait, what is this?
I don't know.
Print stencils.
It's like a painting thing.
Well, first of all, I love MTV. Reminds me of my, you know, early days. Arts and crafts. I love it. MTV arts and crafts. This will be fun. More things we can do when there's a hurricane.
Yep.
I'm probably gonna want to use it tonight though.
Okay.
For our pool day. We're gonna have a pool day soon, and I saw that this is a floating speaker. Inflatable floating speaker. And I thought this could be useful. Got some tunes. As you can see, all about our pool day. This is a drink floaty, so you can hold your drink in the pool. This one's a crab, and this one is a little shark. So, pool day fun stuff. That's the one thing I got that's strictly just you. You know, you needed socks. I saw that you were running low, so socks.
Cool.
Not that exciting, but honestly, 5 and below is not easy for guys. They really don't have a ton of like adult men stuff. It's mostly boys.
Sure.
And girls. And even older females will be fine, but it's just there's not a lot of boy stuff. But you did need socks. You look so cute.
For me?
This is me, right?
Oh yeah, that's right.
You forgot. Oh! What? This is so cool. Hey, I got a foot spa. 3-in-1 foot spa. And apparently it comes with those little like aqua jelly beads.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is so fun. I have a little pedicure. I'm gonna do this tonight too. Oh, so many activities, Coco. So much room for activities. Coco, what are you doing? Coco. Kitty, you're gonna open up your present? It's right here. Cyclone cat toy. I also got Kitty her favorite catnip treats. This is like literally her favorite thing ever. Is your favorite? Well, she likes that part.
You should figure out this part.
Well, I think she likes it. So for our festive dinner, we got cracked from Chef Adrian. And it's not that festive, but it was just something we've been wanting to try and we decided today's the day. Filet mignon sandwiches. They have like chimichurri sauce and like seasoned fries. We were just playing the Who Is It game. They give you a card and you have to actually like insert all the cards inside ahead of time and all that. But it's a fun game. So perfect for when there's, I don't know, a hurricane. But also other, it's fun on.
It's still fun.
Yeah, it was still fun.
Played it for about 45 minutes or something.
Yeah, we played it for a while, so
It was fun.
it's worth it. $5, well worth it. So this is the melted snowman cookie kit. The kit includes organic sugar cookie mix and then like organic frosting and vegan marshmallows, and these are like the vegan marshmallows. Let's make some melted snowman cookies. Okay. And now we have to get the ball into, the ball of dough now has to go into a plastic wrap and then stay in the fridge for like 20 minutes to harden. So the projector lamp looks really good if you put it close up to the wall, but if you put it more, yeah, if you put it more, sorry, to the ceiling. If you put it more down below, it just looks like that. It looks cool if you keep it close to the ceiling. Little constellations and stars in our bathroom. I just put it in the bedroom on top of a lamp. It's cool. I just don't know exactly where to put it, but it does work. Okay, now that the dough is firm from the freezer, I'm gonna put it onto this. I created like a floured surface. Now I'm gonna roll out the dough. Oh God, it's crumbling just a bit. I think I got it as flat as I could, and now I'm gonna use the cookie cutter to make little circles. It's pretty messy, and for some reason it's sticking to the thing, but I think I got some circles. All right, the cookies are going in for about 20 minutes at 350. The box comes with these little like hats that you have to cut out for the snowmen. While the cookies are cooling, now I'm gonna make the vanilla frosting. So now I have to put this instead of a piping bag. Hold on. Alright, I have my lovely assistant here to help me with the frosting. Okay, we spread the frosting on each cookie. So now we get a marshmallow.
Okay.
And add it like this to each one.
That's it?
Oh, they didn't give us enough marshmallows. That sucks. Using the sprinkles, we're gonna decorate each snowman. Honestly, it's a good thing we only had a few marshmallows because this is taking a lot of patience. But look, we kind of have some snowmen. All right, the grand reveal. They're kind of cute, honestly. Snowman cookies, woo, 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 yeah. Snowman cookie cheers.
Nice and crunchy.
They're so cute. I'm gonna take the top hat off and eat the little snowman. I have my little foot spa from Five and Below. I added some hot water and some bubbles. It comes with these little jellies. The little jelly beads get bigger. And it also comes with this little like light, which didn't work, hold on. So you can have a foot party, woohoo! It's a little tiny for me because it's for kids, I think, but it still somehow works. Now I gotta turn on the little vibrator. What do you think of my foot spa? What do you think about this? Update, it's been a few hours and this is what the jelly little beads look like now. And they feel so good. I'm like addicted to just doing this. Very cool.